Sketching the graph of parametric equations can be insanely difficult, if at all possible to be done by hand. Here, we actually have a naive looking equation, which is it looks just like a typical trigonometric equation: cosine of t, sine of 3t, and sine of 7t. By the way, this should have been a c, so that's a typo. I'm gonna fix that. So let's kind of sketch what the graph of this guy is gonna look like. So let me do my usual thing. So it's gonna be the curve. My guy, the first one is going to be cosine of t. The second coordinate is going to be, let's see, sine of 3t. And then the third coordinate is going to be, let's see, sine of 7t. Sine of 7t. And I'm going to let my t run, let's say, from 0 to 10. Okay. So I actually get this bizarre looking kind of curve. So you can kind of look. So it already this is already this is too difficult to be drawn into two-dimensional space. So you have kind of like a line, a curve that kind of intertwine. Let me actually hide the thing here so you can see. Okay. So this guy, this is the curve that corresponds to the parametric equation that the problem gives us. You can kind of see it's kind of look pretty crazy. Let me also do this. Let's say I have a t, and I'm gonna let the values run. So let me actually change my t up. I'm gonna change my t from 0 to 10. Let me stop. 0 to 10, and then let me sketch the point. So that's gonna be cosine of t, and then sine of 3t, and then sine of 7t. Okay. Let me change the color. Okay. So the red point that you are looking at, this is the coordinate of my parametric equation that correspond to the value of the t that we have here. Wait a minute, I thought I changed from 0 to 10. It actually doesn't really matter though, because in the end, it will just be the cosine and sine of these values. Okay, so let me make this a little bigger. Let's see, style, no. Okay, let me make it so big. Okay, so the red point that you are looking at, this is the values of this is the value of cosine of t, sine of 3t, and sine of 7t that we have in the in my equation. And when I change the value of t, notice how my red point move along my black curve. So let me actually let this run in animation and let's see what it kind of look like. Okay,